Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today, we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 9th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Unicorn Day. National Unicorn Day is celebrated annually on April 9th. This whimsical day is dedicated to celebrating the mythical creature, the unicorn, which has captured the imaginations of people for centuries. Unicorns are often depicted as gentle, magical creatures with a single spiraling horn on their forehead. They have been featured in various mythologies, legends, literature, and art, and are associated with purity, innocence, and enchantment. People celebrate National Unicorn Day in various ways, such as sharing unicorn-themed artwork, wearing clothes or accessories featuring unicorns, or engaging in creative activities related to these mythical creatures. The day also serves as a reminder to embrace the magic, wonder, and creativity that the idea of unicorns represents. It is an opportunity for people of all ages to enjoy the fantasy and imagination associated with these legendary creatures. Easter. Easter is a Christian holiday that celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. It is considered the most important feast in the Christian liturgical calendar and marks the culmination of the Passion of Jesus, which began with his suffering and crucifixion on Good Friday. Easter occurs on the first Sunday following the first full moon after the vernal equinox, which usually falls between March 22nd and April 25th. The week leading up to Easter is known as Holy Week, which includes Palm Sunday, Maundy Thursday, commemorating the Last Supper of Jesus with his disciples, Good Friday, observing the crucifixion of Jesus, and Holy Saturday. Easter Sunday is a joyful celebration of the belief in Jesus' resurrection and the promise of eternal life for believers. Easter is also associated with various customs and symbols, such as the Easter bunny, Easter eggs, and Easter baskets. These symbols and traditions have their roots in pre-Christian pagan celebrations of spring and rebirth, which were eventually incorporated into Christian Easter observances. Today, many people celebrate Easter with both religious services and secular activities, like egg hunts, family gatherings, and festive meals. National Former Prisoner of War Recognition Day. National Former Prisoner of War Recognition Day is observed annually on April 9th in the United States. This day is dedicated to honoring and remembering the sacrifices and experiences of former prisoners of war, POWs, and their families. It is a time to pay tribute to those who endured captivity, hardship, and suffering while defending their country and protecting the freedom of its citizens. On this day, the American flag is often flown at half-staff to honor and remember the sacrifices of former prisoners of war. The day serves as a reminder of the commitment and strength demonstrated by these individuals, as well as an opportunity to express gratitude and respect for their service and sacrifice. International ASMR Day. International ASMR Day is celebrated annually on April 9th. ASMR, which stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a tingling sensation that starts in the scalp and moves down the neck and spine in response to certain auditory or visual stimuli. Many people find ASMR deeply relaxing, and it has become increasingly popular in recent years, with a growing number of ASMR videos and content creators available on various platforms like YouTube. International ASMR Day aims to raise awareness about ASMR and its potential benefits, such as relaxation, stress relief, and improved sleep. People celebrate the day by sharing their favorite ASMR videos, experiences, and content creators on social media, as well as discussing the science and research behind ASMR. It is also an opportunity to introduce friends and family members to ASMR and explore different ASMR triggers together. National Name Yourself Day. National Name Yourself Day is observed annually on April 9th. This fun and lighthearted day encourages people to choose a new name for themselves, just for one day. The idea behind National Name Yourself Day is to give individuals a chance to experience what it would be like to have a different name or to choose a name they have always liked. People can participate in this celebration by selecting a new name for themselves and asking their friends and family to call them by that name for the day. It could be a name they have always admired, a nickname, or even a name that reflects their personality or aspirations. Some people might also use this day as an opportunity to share stories behind their real names or to explore the meaning and history of different names. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.